Hello everyone, I have played the K.P.M.C round of 16 2 days ago, 22nd of August. I have played against Johnny Dian, from Taiwan. He is a quite famous player. He has got couple times World Amateur Championship, and actually I have played against him last year, K.P.M.C in the quarterfinal. At that time, I beat him, but actually sometimes I have played with him on the Fox, practice game, and sometimes I'm winning, sometimes I'm losing. So I thought, it was a quite hard match for me. So today, how was the game? If you are ready to watch this game, then we can start watch from now. I was white and he was black, and he used a double 3 and 4, and he used the traditional opening, and I approached here and 2-space jump. It was very normal, right? And he get into 3-3, and I like to handle this potential to approach the lower side. Of course, if I really want to switch immediately here to the left hand side, and choosing this joseki is also possible. Like this, and then I can go to the left hand side. It was okay actually. When the actual game, I just approached there, so he just ignored there, and I just keep press black's group here, and pincer. Pip is suitable word, right? Pip. It was one of the famous joseki, and I just jump here and played here. Actually, this was first time that I used this joseki in my actual game. I had information until now, but actually AI recommend me to play here. This was making maybe the right hand side better than actual game. Not so much difference. So until now, it was still okay. And when he plays wedge here, I just step back here. I thought Atari one more time is not so good. Somehow it made black stronger, so I wanted to just step back here. Until now it was still difficult, and then he just jumped here, and I captured this, and then he made the tiger's mouth. Until now it's still 50-50. We don't know, it's quite similar. And then in the actual game, I was thinking very weird things. When he plays a tiger's mouth, I really had a misjudgment here, and I really need to tell you, if you don't study life and death, and if you don't have a reading training, you will be like me. In the actual game, I was thinking that there was always a push and cut. If I play push here and he need to block here, and then when I cut here, I read 2 variation, and one variation is this one, and then he can save it at the corner, like this. Actually here, if I really want to make something, there is a aji to make the ko, something like that. Of course, white need to do it carefully. I need to really be careful, otherwise he may have a push and cut here. Still white is not ready to get in there. If I just capture here, black can captures back white group here. So the main problem is I thought there was a push and cut, and then if black goes out here like this, and then when I answer, then black can continue here. So still I am not really ready to do that. But the problem is I was thinking that there was always this aji. That's the point. So in the actual game, still the result was not good, so I didn't use it. But what do you think? If white play push and cut here, now you can see that, right? I think if your level is middle level, then you can do that, how black can capture white stones. Did you find it? Black can just set up the net here. If white goes out, then black can block here. Nothing is gonna work there. Sadly, in the actual game, it happened here later. Okay, now I was supposed to just tell, okay, I can go to the corner or this side. It was better. In the actual game, still I thought it was a valuable place. It wasn't really a big mistake, but just it was a little bit better. But still it's difficult to game. At this moment, my first move that I wanted to play was here, and then this. And then I was expecting him to play this move, and I need to start to reduce the upper side. Yeah, it was the first move that I was thinking. And then I was keep thinking whether I need to go here or shoulder or yeah, many things I was thinking that. And even here is also possible. If white black just answer, I can just hane and then connect. Yeah. Because I thought somehow I didn't like this move now. If black just attach and hane, now even though I just used this joseki, this potential wasn't really useful because black stone was here. Yeah, but I don't know, though somehow I changed my mind. I wanted to be more active and I played the shoulder and here, but double pincer was painful. I think it was much valuable than where I played. Just one point was a bit worse than, yeah, I just answered there. So in the actual game, I just attached here. And he just immediately get in at 3-3. Still difficult, but even now, my decision of the joseki was not good. Now I was supposed to play hane. If he answer, I need to make tiger's mouth. Still, I need to take care of the corner first. If black just blocks here, then I can make tiger's mouth. Then still I can handle the ko because I have one more ko thread there. Something like that. Yeah. So still that was okay. Yeah, I can handle the corner like this. But in the actual game, I just used Atari and tiger's mouth. But this wasn't really good exchange. I mean, the good decision. Because black has a hane and connect here, even when he cut here, I can't fight properly. If I just extend here, black can stretch here, black can extend as well. I need to jump, my two stones position is not good, you know. Now black stone is here. So I was supposed to throw this away, and then it was happened what I was misreading. Always I thought there was push and cut. So I was thinking for a long time at that moment, because you know here left hand side is so big, and then my decision was when I played the push and cut. Now it was my reading, and then black need to go out here, like this, yeah, like that. No matter how, yeah, like this, and then when I just separate this group, then even though I get damage my right hand side, and if I attack the top of the center of the black group, then I think I can use this potential. So it was still okay. That was my decision and reading. Yeah, like this here, and I can still save the corner. Yeah. So, but it was so embarrassed. Now when I cut here, immediately he just make the net. I totally forget. In the actual game, this was not in my brain. Yeah. You can see. Oh, so if you don't have a reading practice, you will be like me. Yeah, please don't follow me. And then yeah, I had to take care of my mentor. Yeah, I have played here. Still, to be honest, this was too far away. I think white was supposed to play around here. Yeah, then I need to handle the upper side. But it was so greedy when I play here. He just played the pip. You know, no matter how I answer, then if black goes here, it's impossible to kill this group. It's so big now. It's so large in the upper side. So I decided to push here, but when he cut here, my 4 stones are weaker, and when I need to, yeah, even the upper side Aj was not good. So I have to support this group, and then when he plays here, oh, now white behind a lot. Yeah, not just a little bit, yeah. And it was even worse decision, I mean the push. So I need to make something here, but he played so well, yeah. Basically, I couldn't find any chance after I make the mistake, yeah, for the net and here. In the beginning, my wrong decision was actually not so serious. Yeah, anyway, there was nearly even. But since I made this mistake and joseki problem, and I was behind a lot, and especially this push, I give this cutting to black. So when I just made the sente and then try to separate black's group, because I need to separate and try to make something, because later Aji will be like, you know, when I have a chance like this, it's very Not easy, but still I can try to break the black's eye shape. That was, yeah, only what I can try to make something. But he played so well. When I separate here, he prepared this move. Yeah, you know, I don't have a chance to answer here. If I just answer like this, the black can just jump here. I can do nothing. However, I have to separate the black's group and I can hope something. So he attached here. It was also very annoying. Yeah, this was my plan. I just wanted to give up this and I still need to separate the black's group. But even he tried it perfectly. When he extended here, I have nothing to do. I need to save it anyway, and then he bit my vital point, and then I need to connect, because if I just block here, really he can try to make capturing race now. Yeah, he can just hane and then connect. Now this capturing race is really hard for me. Yeah, if I just block here, then he cannot tarry, and then surround here, you know. So I have to connect and block here. Luckily I can capture this group, but you know, I lost all of my territory at the upper side. So he just hane and block here and go to the right hand side. Yeah, I think this move is telling me, yeah, he is winning the game. I need to still make something. So yeah, here the point is still Aji is very not good. Yeah, if I just don't play anything there, and then when he cut here, later, you know, I cannot even consider to answer. The reason why, when he plays here, I can't block, because black can still go out to center something like this. So I need to, here and this one. And then there are many options for black, because this is sente and this is gonna be sente too. Yeah, if I don't answer, then he can wedge here. And then when I answer, you know, 2 and 3, they are good exchange. I can't fight like this because of that exchange. So now this move is protecting the cutting. I want to take some territory at the center. So he used a very stable move. Yeah, actually, if like wanted to be if he wanted to be active, then he can even consider to play 2 space jump. I guess maybe he didn't like this kind of Aji. When I tried something here, it's quite annoying. So it was a very stable move. Yeah. And then yeah, now starting from now, he used all the move very stably. So now I was behind a lot. Yeah, when he plays here was only one chance. Yeah, I was already Boyomi. And when I answer here, yeah, this made less liberty for Blackstones. Yeah, here life and death was something, but I'm not sure whether he read carefully there or not. He just Tenuki there. Yeah, black was supposed to just answer here immediately. Then everything was very clean. And when he plays here, then even though I'm Boyomi, I got a chance. Yeah, I spent one time earning. Yeah, I need to earn the time, and I was thinking the life and death there, but it was unlucky. Still, it doesn't work. Yeah, I get in there. Maybe he already read it there, and then when he just answers here, that was like if I just show you the original life and death condition, I can capture. Yeah, I can capture black group like this, and then I can push here. But when he plays here, I need to get in here. The problem is the capturing race is not working for me. Yeah, black can surround here. Black is faster. That's why I shouldn't give any damage to my group, you know. Now when I'm trying to capture this group, I lost 3 liberties. Number 6, number 2, number 8. Yeah, if I just take it away, white has enough liberty, right? So I try to change the sequence. Yeah, and then I check how he's gonna answer. Yeah, he just connect here, but still it was very hard for me. Yeah, here was like if he just, when I just hane here, if he just answers here, I will be very happy, because I can just get in here. This one here, 1 liberty was different. Yeah, white has 1 more liberty. Now it works for me. Yeah, like this. But he read it, yeah, properly. he just played here. If I really want to continue there, I was supposed to play here. And then he can play this move. I can only consider here, this, here, this one, Atari, and then he will surround, and then I need to surround here, and it will be a call. Yeah. He can consider to get in, but still he doesn't have a call threat. Yeah. But this was only the way how I had to try. Yeah, it was only last chance. If he wedge here, I can capture and this, and I can save the corner. Yeah, this is a famous life and death. If he just connect, then I can make, yeah, Kusumi there. I'm not sure whether I even need to consider to make center first, then Black really do not have a code threat, and then I can consider here. I'm not sure whether he read misread here, but he had enough time. Maybe he wanted to attack. He wanted to have a time attacking. So my reading was not so sure, so I just tried here, and even my counting was in trouble. But when he blocked here, I really have nothing to do. Yeah, I think it was a really only one chance that I had in this game. So I just used the end game, yeah, but it wasn't really enough. He had one misreading. When he pushed here, I think he read this cutting, and he read two variation here and this one, and he can cut here, and then this one, and then he can attach here. But it was a big mistake, because I think this one, then also he was considering this move, but I think he missed the extend here. This cutting was really a big minus, yeah, a losing point. That's why the gap was closer, yeah, but still it was not enough. After this, his end game didn't have any mistake. I tried to chase very hard, yeah. I was not losing by end game because already I was behind, yeah. I think I did some actually, and then still I lost, yeah, 3.5 point, yeah. So basically, yeah, my reading was many trouble. Yeah, in the beginning when I was making the plan, yeah, this cutting was really, I have been thinking this cutting from the beginning for a long time, and it was not really good, yeah, because of the variation that I show you. But when you just set up the net, simply nothing is gonna work, and it was, yeah, it made my game condition not good. And I was supposed to make some complicated situation, so it still didn't work because he played it perfectly. But when he gave me only one chance here, I don't mean if I just continue to make the call here, it was good for me, but I think it was at least much complicated, yeah. So I think I was supposed to do that, yeah. And my decision was wrong, and after that I didn't have any chance, yeah. So this game basically I just lost, yeah, didn't have any chance. Last year the game quality was opposite. I didn't give him any chance and I beat him, yeah, but this time in this year was different, yeah. Even though I had a busy schedule, I tried to practice sometimes, and then I tried to have a reading training, but maybe that was not enough, yeah. So remember, if you don't have reading training, you will be like me, and you couldn't even see the net in the important competition, yeah. Okay, so today I show you my embarrassed game quality in K.P.M.C. round of 16. So it's fine, and anyway I will keep try to join the competition, and thank you so much for supporting me, yeah, for this K.P.M.C. I will try again next year, yeah, if I have a chance, yeah. Okay everybody, thank you very much for watching for this video, then see you guys next time. Bye.